So here's a rough sketch of the name tag that I'm going to make, and what I want you to show you today is how to actually make a little cardboard cutout, a little prototype, a little model of this actual name tag. In order to make this name tag, we're going to need a steel ruler, we're going to need a compass, we're going to need a good sharp pencil, and we're going to need some cardboard. This is just some cardboard that I got from the shop. It's just dark chocolate. Nice and thin cardboard, don't use anything that's too thick. Okay. So if we look at the sketch here, we'll see that the overall dimensions of the outside are 40 plus 20 is 60, and it's got to be 40 wide. So that's what we're going to start with, this blank here, and that's what we're going to cut out over a piece of cardboard. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use the actual 90 degrees that's already here in the cardboard, and we're going to measure out here 60 and 60 again. And we're going to measure down this line here 40, and we're going to measure down here 40. And this is going to get us the overall outside diameters for this name tag. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to find the center of this here, radius, and we're going to measure down 20 and in 20. So on this piece, we're going to come down 20 and down 20. And then we're going to measure out 20 and out 20 again. That'll get us the center of the curve. We're going to get our compass next. I'm going to set this now to 20. And with our center in here, and draw this curve here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to find the center for this curve here, and also the center for this hole that we're going to drill here, and that is up 10 and in 10. And so in 10 here, in 10 here, and then up 10 here. So we're going to get our compass again, and we're going to set this here now to 10. Put our compass in here. I'm going to draw that line there, curve there. The last part now is this chamfer here, up here. So we've got to measure in 10 and down 10 and get that chamfer. So we've already got our 10 here. So we're simply going to measure down 10. Join those two there, and that is our finished name tag. Next, what we're going to do now is we're simply going to cut this out. Cut out the edges here first. And there's your completed prototype, your completed model of the name tag. Now, if you want to, you can draw in 2 holes use, let's say, a scalpel to cut that out, but that's not entirely necessary for this project.